2021 Kia K5 First Test, Base Engine Blues. But before we start, please support us by pressing the like and subscribe buttons, so that we can continue to provide information about car and motorcycle news. Also turn on the bell button to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. Judging from its looks alone, you'd think the Kia K5 is the most athletic midsize sedan on the market. The chiseled creases across its low-slung hood, mesh grille, and thin LED daytime running lights give the front end of the K5 a sense of motion, while the rear stands out with sleek taillights connected by LED dashes. In some ways, it looks more like a sports sedan than the Kia Stinger. The new look is part of a complete overhaul for Kia's family sedan. New for 2021, the K5 replaces the much tamer-looking Optima, a middling competitor in the segment. Fresh new looks alone, however, won't convince us the K5 is a better car. It also needs to improve upon the Optima's mediocre driving dynamics. We won't hide our preference for the K5 step-up engine offering, a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that pumps out 290 horsepower and 311 pounds-to-foot of torque. When equipped with this the K5's athletic prowess matches its looks. This time, though, we tested the entry-level 1.6-liter Turbo 4. It's not nearly as potent, with 180 horsepower and 195 pounds-to-foot of torque. Power move. The 1.6-liter has enough gumption for city and highway duty, and its acceleration feels plenty eager, although the tire's lack of grip made quick starts difficult. The Kia's 0 to 60 mph run trails several competitors in its class. In our tests, the K5X reached 60 mph in 7.8 seconds. That's behind the base engine Honda Accord, 7.2 seconds, our long-term Hyundai Sonata, 7.4 seconds, and the Toyota Camry SE, 7.5 seconds. The Kia did beat the base engine Subaru Legacy, which sauntered to 60 in 8.3 seconds. This K5 isn't quite as sporty as it looks, but acceleration isn't the culprit. More so, it's the K5's dull steering, which brings to mind the large sedans of yesteryear. The Sonata, which features the same engine and is built on the same platform, feels lighter and nimbler. Our Figure 8 tests confirm this Kia isn't the strongest competitor when it comes to handling. The K5 rounded the bends in 27.4 seconds at an average 0.62 grams, matching the Camry's time exactly. But its performance trailed the Sonata, 26.6 seconds at 0.66 grams, Accord, 27.1 seconds at 0.63 grams, and Legacy, 27.1 seconds at 0.62 grams. Most drivers will be satisfied with the K5's fuel economy. The base trim is the most efficient at 29/38 of a mile per gallon city/highway, whereas estimates for the X are 27/37 of a mile per gallon. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, the front-wheel K5 with the base engine can travel between 459 miles and 474 miles on a tank of gas depending on the trim. Big on comfort. Practical design reigns inside the cabin. Although the Honda Accord and Toyota Camry both have more rear legroom, the back seat of the Kia K5 feels plenty spacious, and the leatherette trim feels luxurious to the touch. Our K5 came with 2 handy rear USB ports in addition to the 3 up front. With 16.0 cubic feet of space, the trunk has plenty of room to fit groceries for the whole family. That's the same amount of cargo space as the Hyundai Sonata and more than the Camry, 15.1 cubic feet, if not quite as much as the Accord, 16.7 cubic feet. Tasteful faux wood trim, a chunky shifter, and a large central screen make a positive impression. Our tester had a 10.3-inch touchscreen, although an 8.0-inch unit comes standard. This large screen features sharp graphics and is pretty straightforward to use. Touch controls take the place of physical buttons with the exception of a volume knob. One hidden delight, the Sounds of Nature icon transports you to the forest or ocean, among other relaxing destinations with soothing soundtracks. Unfortunately, the K5 doesn't offer a fully digital instrument cluster like its Sonata sibling. A safe choice. Kia has you covered with a strong arsenal of safety features in the K5X. This includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keep assist, automatic high beam headlights, and leading vehicle departure alert, which lets you know when the vehicle in front of you has started moving. Our test car also came with Kia's competent highway driving assist, which combines stop-and-go adaptive cruise control with lane centering tech to make it easier to drive in traffic. Boasting strong crash scores, the Kia K5 earned a 2021 Top Safety Pick Plus award, the highest honor from the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety, IIHS.
Thanks for watching.
Drop a like, leave a comment,
and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.